I'm here at Club Camp. We're learning all about operating our own business, from the staff to recruiting, service, sales, management. As a new business owner, this is a required task.
Everything to run our business successfully, they are guiding us and helping us and providing us that information.
I feel like we have much better hold on what is offered, how we're going to implement things, and make the business successful.
Everything that they've been working with us here at Curves with Club Camp this week has eased my pain a little bit because I've been super nervous about all of it.
They're making things fun for us. We're getting a lot of hands-on action. I love not just looking at a notebook. We're actually getting to practice what we're being taught.
I didn't realize how much a Curves coach does one-on-one or with the circuit.
Learning all of the muscles that we're working on each machine and being able to instruct the ladies the right way to do the machines. I mean, you can read it in a textbook or in the notebook, but actually being out here on the circuit, getting hands-on experience, it's wonderful.
I believe with the leadership that I'm learning here this week that I can take all of that back and build our club. I'm super excited. I think that I'm ready to go.